Hey, family, it's your boy, and I'm out here in nature at the Athens Park in California. I'm out here offering up my services, first time's free. I'm offering, shadow work sessions, vibration technique, teaching it, and sound frequency tuners. Yeah, I'm out here at the Athens Park. I'm gonna be alternating from here to Magic Johnson Park on a daily basis. All right, if you're interested, come on down. If you're in the Cali area, all right, your boy out. But just for today, I'm gonna be in the Athens Park since it's my first time doing this. Want to see how it turns out. All right, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Yes, there's something else. All right, so with the 3-card shadow work, 3 cards is $5. I go all the way up to 10 cards. But just to let you know, that kind of energy is taxing. So that's why it costs $30. The more cards added, the more draining it gets for me and time consuming. As for the sound vibration energy therapy, the $10 is for the beginner's session, up to $25. And I have the advanced set on the way, the Sofrichigo frequency tuners. That would be the advanced session, which would be 50 and up. But right now it's set at 50. And with the vibration technique, most of you know the vibration technique, but you do not know how to use and deploy it. So you will be getting training from me. All right, God of the Vertex 1 is my Gmail. I will be sending things out to you, like a video if we've recorded a video, and a copy of my digital business card so that you can pass it on to people that you think need the services. I made it digital so it can be easily passed around. It has protection sigils within it so that it can protect me and anyone I give the card to. My number is for you to set appointments. You set appointments via text. And as you can see, my hours. I only accept payment through Cash App. So my cash tag is Brother Supreme. Alright, I think that's about it. If you guys have any other questions, just hit me up. You know how to reach me.